Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Okay. Well, I wanna let y'all know something. I really enjoy Kerry's natural lemonade though. So her business is expanding. She doing it big though. So I got this. Here you go. Yeah. Mr. B's Bakery. About to show y'all over there. That's his location. And Carrot's Natural Lemonade is over here at the SGM Food Mart, okay? And it's in here, natural lemonade. Hope I don't get in trouble for what I'm doing, you know? Well, I must let y'all know something. I want to tell y'all, Mr. B Donuts is so good, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm standing at this bus stop eating the donut holes and everything. I'm not just broadcasting Kerry's Natural Lemonade. I'm also telling y'all about Mr. B's Bakery. Like I did in New Iberia with Mesh's Donuts. Golly, I mean the donuts so good. Maybe I should tell y'all about Edge's Bakery too. Like I say, I mean, people make some good food. You know, so I wouldn't I wouldn't be surprised if Mr. B starts to start making gumbo. You know, yes indeed. It is donut so good. Yes indeed. And Carrot's Natural Lemonade. Yes indeed. It's so dang good. You know, so the bus is coming. Okay, here comes the bus. Let me go walk across the street and get on this bus before this bus go south. You know? Yeah, y'all can't see down there. So y'all go get some natural lemonade at that gas station right there, and to the bakery over here. Okay. All right. Make sure y'all get some immediately. Okay.